Wife by Limón. I'm not yet comfortable with the word. It's short, clean whoosh that sounds like life. At dinner last night, my single girl said in admonition, it's not wife approved, about a friend's upcoming trip. Their eyes rolled up and over and out their pretty young heads. Wife. Why does it sound like a job? I need a wife, the famous feminist wrote. A wife that will keep my clothes clean, ironed, mended, replaced if need be. A word that could be made easily into maid. A wife that does, fixes, soothes, honors, obeys. Housewife, fishwife, bad wife, good wife. What's the word for someone who stares long into the morning, unable to even fix tea some days, the kettle steaming over loud like a train whistle? She who cries in the mornings. She who tears a hole in the earth and cannot stop grieving. The one who wants to love you, but often isn't good at even that. The one who doesn't want to be diminished by how much she wants to be yours.